Hello friends, in this video we are going to see how to do a automated reconciliation testing. You have to match your source data with target data in an automated manner. In the earlier videos we have seen how we performed the testing which covers missing in target and extra in target which is missing in source, and the data mismatch and the count mismatch. So basically, if you remember, manually we tested these outcomes where we used the SQL to find out everything. So we extracted the data from source and the target to CSV file, then we load the CSV file into a reconciliation database. Then we started running our SQLs to get all these statistics. Okay. In this video, we are going to do the same thing, but in an automated fashion. To do that, you have to follow certain strategy here. Okay, we call it automation steps here. So in a very high level, the steps are extract source and target records. Then assert record counts are matching, which is your source record should exactly match the target record, or your expected source count should match expected target count. Assert nothing is missing in the target. Assert nothing is missing in the source, which is extra in the target. Assert no data mismatches. You have the data present in source as well as in target, but they're not matching. So these are the very high level steps you have to follow. Okay, why I'm showing the steps to you? Because as soon as you finish manual testing, you think you have to randomly do automation testing. It doesn't work that way. Automation testing is nothing but repeating your manual testing work in an automated way again and again via your local computer or in a CI/CD pipeline. Okay. Think this is very high level what we are covering here. This extract, source, assert, record, these are all high level, but you have to further break down. Even this extract source, you have to break down extract source first, then extract target, then load it to a reconciliation database where you can do the reconciliation and matching. That we'll see in the next slide. So the steps are, the first high level step we are broken down to two steps: extract source, then extract target. Okay, in the extract source, in this step, you get the CSV file and load it to the reconciliation database. It's a temporary database where we perform our reconciliation process. If you haven't watched the earlier record, go and watch those manual testing of reconciliation process. You will get an idea what is this CSV file and why we loaded it to the reconciliation database. Then similar way, the extract target records, you get that in CSV file and load that into the reconciliation database. Okay, so as soon as you execute these two tasks, you have the data present in the reconciliation database. Okay, now we are ready for asserting the count, which is this step. Okay, so in this step we will further break down what exactly we are going to do in the granular level. We first assert source count just to make sure you have 2 records or 20 records or 200, 2000 or 2 million records. Then assert the target count and make sure the counts are matching. Then this step passed, this step passed, this step passed, and this step passed. Now further in the automation process, we have to go and find any data missing in the target which is present in the source, any data missing in the source which is present in the target, and any data present in both source and target but they don't match. Okay, that's pretty much automation is going to cover. So what is the benefit here? You have already tested in a manual way. Why you have to automate it? So automation will help you to go hands-free. You don't have to manually type, manually go and click, all these things you don't have to do every time. Once you know what all tasks you are doing manually, fit those into the steps here and just click of a button or a command, everything is going to run automatically and it's going to give you the feedback. That's the benefit of automation, and you can run in various environments like dev, QA, SIT, pre-prod, so on and so forth. Okay, and it will make you efficient where the human errors you can almost eliminate, and execution life cycle becomes shorter and shorter. So those are the benefits you already might have known by now. Okay, this video focuses on the automation aspects. The manual aspects, you can go and have a look on the earlier 2 videos already uploaded. Thanks very much for watching.